Hi guys, it's Cameron. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I got these curls. They're just quick, easy, cute. They give your hair body and volume. And if you would like to see how I got these curls, keep on watching. So I already separated my hair and I just took a piece out. Excuse me, I'm using a Conair curler. It's 1.5 inches. And this is what we're going to do. Start it at the base, wrap it around, bring it down, twist it up, inch it down, bring it up, inch it down, bring it up. I'm going to hold it there for a few seconds and then let it go. And look at that. Spiral curl, isn't that cute? I'm just going to leave it like that and toss it back. Again, comb it. Take your curling iron. Put it at the root of your hair. Bring it down a little. Twist it up. Inch it down a little. Twist it up again. Bring it down a little. Twist it up again. See? And there's still a little piece of the ends out. So you need to bring it down. Inch it down one more time. And twist it back. And then hold it. And then I'm going to take it out. And there you have it. Put those pieces back. It's cute, ain't it? Ooh. So now I'm gonna do my right side of my hair, and I'll be back when I'm at the top 2 pieces that I'm gonna pin. One thing I forgot to mention is that I'm curling my hair away from my face. Alright, gonna speed it up again. Okay, now I'm at the last two pieces. And I clipped the piece like I did with these on the other side. So now I'm going to do the very last piece. Alright, now we're done curling our whole head. Now I'm taking these clips out and I'm going to take this paddle brush. Oh, there's hair in it. Don't mind that. And I'm going to start with this side and I'm going to brush it out. See? Big curls and they all flow together. And this side. And there we go. Big curls, not too perfect. Gives your hair a lot of volume and body, which is cute if you don't feel like having the pin straight look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget that I upload a new video every single Sunday. Alright, I can't wait to see you all next week. Bye guys!